Okay, in order to get at your master cylinder, you need to get this piece right here. It will have a twisty and a pop on this side. And then you just slide it out from that white piece you're seeing, and your master cylinder is right up top there. Because we're working on a 2003 Honda Civic, the master cylinder goes way underneath here is where it will hook up. And you have this line. You will need to hook this hose line up prior to putting it in. And the way I can hook it up best is coming under the wheel well. And you can reach everything from right here. So I put my hose back on right here, and I use the pliers to put the clip back on. And once you get that on, you are able to put the master cylinder back in. Got the back part put in. Give it a good push, and it's in. Now we gotta bolt this piece down. This piece slid back in. You have to slide the foamy thing all the way into there, and then you got to put your bolts back in there. Alright, get them all tightened up. Now once you get the hose on, your pin is sticking in through here, and your other, well, the bolt's sticking in through there. You got this piece coming through here, which you do have to adjust this piece to be the same as the one you pulled out. Like the threads, you want it all the exact same as what you've pulled out. And then one of your nuts, let's see if I can angle that. There we go. Your nuts you put on right here. And then your other nut will be way back up here. This one's a little tricky, but it goes. Got it. And then your pin will go through here. Sometimes it takes a little playing because you want to get it, it's got to be all even. Once you have your pin in, I like to use needle nose pliers to be able to put this little clip thing back on. Okay, so the way I put this pin back in is I stick the needle nose pliers like this, and then you will have to hold it, so I need two hands to do this. But I slide the straight end through the hole, and it will hook and get the hook over top of the pin, so it will stay. Then when it's all said and done, we've got our thing through here. It's hooked up. That's through there, all hooked up. We're going to tighten the bolts now. Now we got both bolts nice and tight. We've got the pin through with the clip thingy on there, so it will all stay. Your other bolt is underneath, so it's a hard one to see, but you can feel for it. It's pretty simple in that aspect. And then you just hop out of here and you can put your cover back on. You need to line up this piece right here with the white thing, and then line up your other piece so you can snap it back up in there. And then you snap this side back up and twist that to seal it, and that's all back together.